In the heart of the Himalayas, where the air is thin and the silence is profound, a solitary snow leopard glides through the shadows of a melting mountain range. Each step is both a ghostly whisper and a powerful echo against the crumbling ice, a testament to a world in flux. As the majestic creature navigates the treacherous terrain, it stumbles upon the mouth of a hidden cave, long concealed by ancient glaciers. Inside, intricate carvings on the walls tell of an ancient ritual, forgotten by time, that once harmonized nature's forces. The snow leopard, an unknowing guardian, senses a deep connection to this place, a dormant power that could heal the fractured balance between earth and sky. As the snow leopard retreats, a soft tremor reverberates through the range, as if the mountains themselves are awakening, whispering promises of renewal to the world beyond.